Hello everyone, I'm just going to write the next code for the linked list. This is the insert a node at the head of the linked list. So for addition of the node or for insertion of the node at the head of the linked list, you simply need to create a node. So for creation of the node, in the previous lecture, we've discussed that we need to have a pointer which is, let's say, p, and we also need to have a pointer that is q. So what we'll do that we will first create a memory. So for creation of the memory or for allocation of the memory, I am going to use the malloc function. In the malloc function, I will create the amount of the memory required for a node. So size of the given node, and then any of the pointer can point at this location, but I would like that only the given pointer or the node pointer should point at this location. Hence, I have typecasted this, and then p is the variable or the pointer variable which accepts the memory allocated. After this, I will set the data in this node. So p dot data is equals to data, and since this is the newly created node, so the next field of this node will point to the earlier head, and now the head is going to change. Sorry, here we have been given L list, and now the L list should point to the newly created node. It means that L list is equals to P. So this is just because, let me take an example to make you understand about this. Let's say this is the linked list already available, and this is the L list, means the address of the first node. You have created a node P, and you have set the data here, and then you have said that the P dot next is equals to L list. Now L list is now pointing at the second node, so we want that L list should be pointing to the first node. Hence L list is equals to P. After this function is expecting you to return the address of the first node. I've already told you in the previous lecture that this function will be expecting you to return the address of the first node. So hence you will return L list. So let's run this code. You can see that the sample test cases have got passed. I'm now submitting this. You can see that all other test cases have also got passed. Thanks for watching.